Good evening, Nancy. So today we had a course. It's Tuesday, January 28th, and so this is a recording. Tomorrow I'm not gonna have time to do a lot of stuff, so I'm trying to make some recordings tonight, at least yours and Simon. And I'll have Andrew, Carrie, Diego, Kevin, Rachel, Carrie too. So it's like, yeah, seven different recordings. So it's a lot of stuff because I cannot really do too much tomorrow. Anyways, so this is all clear, and it's page 27. We listened to the recording again to make sure we understand all the different expressions. And now there is one last expression. You can say that again. I mean, that means indeed. I agree with you completely. You say this only when you are giving your opinion and you agree with this person. That test was really long. You can say that again. I needed another hour. It's like I agree with you. So be careful. Use high intonation and stress on the word that. You can say that again. Okay. So far on this chapter, we talked about to pull an all-nighter, burn the midnight oil, cram 4, stay up, in the nick of time, to be in hot water, his mind or my mind went blank, hand in, turn in something, hand back, hand out, or hand out, that's the object, get an A on a test, get a B, a C, a D, get an E, get an F, get good or bad grades, take a test cold, that means you didn't study, do well on a test, do well in school, take a nap, hit the books, and you can say that again. So, I forgot to pick her up from the airport. Well, you are going to be in hot water when she sees you. I slept only 3 hours last night. Why don't you take a nap? I'd like you to take out the handout I gave you yesterday. I can't find it. Can I have another one, please? If you don't hit the books a little more, you'll be sorry. You're right. I'll try to work harder. I ran all the way. Am I late? Am I late? No, you're lucky you got here in the nick of time. After I crammed for a test, I forget everything I studied. Yeah, so do I. That's a problem with studying at the last minute. How did he do on the test? He always gets good grades. Can I ask you a question? Why did you take 5 points off my homework? Because you turned this assignment in late. So here we have 9 sentences, and here we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's pull an all-nighter together. Well, we could say no, I have to take the test cold. Sorry, I can't, I need to sleep. English is a crazy language. You can say that again, that I agree. I was so nervous that my mind went blank. For how long? The whole test? His business is really successful. I know, and that really surprises me because he didn't do well in school. Did you study? No, I have to take the test cold. That's weird sometimes, the questions. Okay, did you get your homework back? She handed it back yesterday. Did you get your test back? She handed them back yesterday. Okay. We have different options here. It may not be right for everything, but we can have different options. Anyway, sometimes the questions are, or the sentences here are a bit odd. Okay, so now he's tired because he pulled an all-nighter. Shh, the baby is taking a nap. I'm going to the library to hit the books. He's happy because he got an A again. She's unhappy because she got a C. They got to class in a nick of time. He's happy because he got a good grade on his test. Her parents are proud of her because she's doing well in school. Half of the students did well to do well in the test, and half didn't do well. I crammed for the test this morning. I'm sure I'll forget everything after the test. And you got here in the nick of time. We were going to leave without you. I have to turn in my essay this morning, but after I'll be free to meet you for coffee. She's in hot water with her boss because she forgot to tell him she had to leave work early. They crammed, double M. They stayed up. We are not in hot water. We were not in hot water. We handed in. We didn't turn in our homework. She always got high grades in school. After his parents talked to him, he hit the books. I didn't take the test called I studied a lot. Okay, we'll continue not tomorrow, but Thursday. I'll see you Thursday at 9 a.m., 9:05. And so this is a shorter video, but we went through everything. Well, let me just go back here. We reviewed a lot of stuff. So don't forget the word in quarantine, incubation. And this is an unfortunate event concerning the coronavirus. Anyway, you have a good night, you have a good Wednesday, and I'll see you Thursday morning. Take care, Nancy. Thank you.